I'm sitting at 10,000 views right now. I will not lie. And the city fucking with me. And keep this on here. For real. Look, I like Ryan SRT, boy, you can't sit in here. Bought a brand new 50 for the Glock, I hope it fit in there. Mark gon' do 100 on the road, I hope he get a steer. Nigga, this expensive D, you need 1,000 just to get in here. Shicey nigga, I walk him down, I got on Yeezy slide. Doing donuts in the scat, I got a flat, a nigga need a ride. I pay 5,000 for a Chevy just to hit the road. Me and Shizzy shot 2 different ops, we had to switch the poles. I hate beefing with my ops, them boys broke as hell. Tryna put a bricky on a bench, I done broke the scale. I rap about the shit I did.
So what's up, YouTube? Smoke Flare 392. We in the G8. We riding. Not really nothing special going on today. I'm just out cruising. I'm about to go link up with one of my bros real quick. Supposed to be washing the car. Probably do that later. Supposed to be meeting up with this girl. She's got a charger. We're gonna link up with her later on. I'm gonna put a diffuser on her car, and then we'll probably go to the wash or something. We got the police over there. So a couple of my dudes was telling me I needed to start just vlogging, just daily shit, because I mean I do a lot of stuff throughout the days, just a lot, you know what I'm saying? And they was telling me like, bro, just start vlogging and just recording your daily activities. And I mean, I'm always doing something, whether I'm outside messing with my car, or I might be fucking with somebody else's car, or I don't know. It's a lot of stuff that I just do and I don't record. So, I mean, it was basically just getting on my ass like, bro, you know, that's content. You know, a lot of the stuff you doing and not recording, that's content. Come on, what you doing, bro? Out the way, bro. They tripping, riding both lanes. That motherfucker nice. Try to catch up to him.
It was a glossy black.
Was it?
And then I got it the black, matte black paint job. And then the
All right, so we got the G8. We got Dodge Charger RT. This is Courtney's Charger. W Pink RT, shoot her a follow. And we are about to do a diffuser on this car. So we just put this Vicrez diffuser on my homegirl RT. Got her looking right. Make sure y'all shoot her a follow. She got the 1 in stars. Got the G8 with the starry. We about to go get some rollers. Go wash these mugs. She packing her chair up. Her charger might be one of the hardest chargers around, to be honest. Bro, she got long tubes on this bitch, straight pipe. Her shit's so loud. Woo! Right, and it's a 5.7 though. good foam on the G8. Quick little bath on the G8. Yeah, sir. We got Courtney over here spraying down the charger. This motherfucker is so loud. Her shit hard as fuck.